Hi guys, this is Avishek and I welcome you to my channel Technical Education. In this video, I am going to show how to construct a winding table and from the values of the winding table how to draw the winding diagram for lap winding. So I hope you subscribe to my channel. If not, then do subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for regular updates because you will be getting this type of videos in my channel. So let's start with this topic. So I am going to show you the winding diagram of two-layer lap winding for a two-pole generator with 8 coils. So first of all, you need to know what is layer, two-layer. So this is a single layer, this is the double layer, which you can also call two-layer. So see, difference between the single layer and the two-layer is there will be one slot for single layer and two slots for double layer or two layer. So this is a slot. Here you can see there is only one slot, and here there are two slots, 1 and 2. Okay, so this is all the difference. Now for constructing the winding table, you need to know these two formulas, because this is the formula for front connection and this is the formula for back connection. Okay, and these two formulas are applicable for only progressive winding. So there are two types of winding. One is progressive winding, another one is retrogressive winding. So for progressive winding, the formula is YB should be greater. Condition is YB should be greater than YF. And for retrogressive winding, the condition is YF should be greater than YB. So in this case, YB should be greater. Okay, and here Z means the number of the conductors and P means the number of the poles. So YF is the front connection and the formula for that is Z by P minus of 1, as Z is the conductor and P is the pole. So here in this video, so how to calculate the number of the conductors. See, here it is given the number of the coil is 8 and the number of pole is 2. Okay, no, sorry, number of layer is 2. So what you have to do, you have to multiply that value, means 8 into 2, and the conductor will become 16. So the formula for calculating the conductor is number of coils into number of layer. You need to know this formula. So and the number of pole is 2 here. So Z by P means 8 into 2, which will become 16. Conductor 16 by 2, it will become 8. 8 minus of 1 becomes 7. So 7, and the direction of YF means the direction of the front connection is towards the back side. When we will draw the connection, we will show you. So here for that we will have to put minus sign. We have to put the minus sign before the value for front connection. So see, YF will become a minus of 7. And for similarly for the back connection, so similarly this will be the plus, formula is Z by P plus 1, so it will become 9. Okay, and now we have to construct the winding table. So first you need to make two tables. One is for back connection, another one is for front connection. Okay, see, the value of YF is minus 7 and the value of YB is 9. So first column I am taking, you have to take for the back connection, and the second column is for the front connection. So see, first you have to start from 1. So if you are starting from 1, so for back connection the value is 9. So you have to add this value. 1 plus 9 is equals to 10. It will come, and 10, and this 10 you have to add with the front YF value. Okay, means front connection value. So 10 and here it is minus 7. So 10 plus of minus 7, ultimately this becomes 10 minus of 7. So it will come 3. Okay. Similarly, you have to take the value. So this value you have to take here. So 3. Again you have to add with 9. 3 plus 9 is equals to 12. So and this 12 you have to add with minus of 7. So it will become 5. Similarly, you have to continue like this. 5 plus 9 is equals to 14. Add 14 minus of 7, it will become 7. 7 plus 9 is equals to 16. And 16 minus of 7 is equals to 9. Okay. Now you will see. So here it is up to, so total number of conductor is 16. So we have reached the value of 16. Okay. In back connection. So this value is 9, so you have to add, so you have to here here the value is 9 and you have to add plus 9, it will become 18. So 18, so 18 the value, it is it is greater than the value of the conductor. So value of the conductor is 16 and it is 18. So what you have to do, you have to subtract the value of the conductor with this value, means 18 minus of 16 is equal to 2, because total number of conductor is 16. So if the value for the back connection or front connection cross the value of the conductor, so you have to subtract the total number of conductor with this value. So see, it will become 2. And similarly 18, here you will choose 18, not 2, because if you choose 2, then 2 minus of 7, it will become negative. So winding table will not complete, it will become wrong. So you have to choose 18. So 18 minus of 7, 11. So you have to check, you have to make this winding table till the front connection value becomes 1. So I am showing you until the front connection value becomes 1. See, again 11. So 11 plus 9 is equals to 20. So 20 is greater than 16. So 20 minus of 16 is equals to 4. And this 20 minus of 7 becomes 13. Same like this, 13 plus 9, 22. 22 minus of 16, 6. 22 minus of, then this 22. 22 minus of 7 is equals to 15. Same. And 15 plus 9 is equals to 24. So it is obviously greater than 16. So you have to subtract 16 from it. So 24 minus 16 is equals to 8. And here 24 minus of 7 becomes 17, which is the value is greater than the total number of conductors. So 17 minus of 16 becomes 1. So I told you, you have to check until the value of the front connection you receive the value 1. Okay. So now I am going, so this is the overall the winding table. In the next video, I am going to show you how to draw the winding diagram using this winding table. I hope you like this video. So do subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Bye. Take care.